I say interest is there, it's a 5%, and year is there, I say let it be year, and I'm having some calculation that is total. This into this into this. So I'm being asked would be value if I change my year to 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, and 5 year. So I have to get the expected total of if I change my value of year to 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, and subsequently you can create a matrix up to 6 year. For that purpose only we do have option of using data tables. For that we are having one rule saying that on intersection of table, the intersection of table where you are getting your data value, we should have same formula which you are putting it here. Let me copy this formula. I'll place it here. That's the first requirement. Then again, next you can get a calculation here. So I'll go for, I'll say select. I'll go for data table. I'll say row input. The row is from year. Cell input, here you are saying you can put a let it be interest being a 5% also. Let me say, let me put a 5% as interest. I'll take two values, year versus interest I'm calculating. So for that purpose I'll go for what if data table. Row, I'm saying row is in the format of year and column will be in format of interest. So this value will be replaced by this 4 in formula, and respectively the value will be replaced and the respective data would be applied. And I'm not changing interest, it is 5% intact because I'm having single column only. Let's see. So 1 year is saying 500, 2 years is saying 1000, 3 years is saying 1500, 4 years showing the same value, and 5 years is 2500, and subsequently. If you're saying my percentage is also being changed, so how you calculate that? In that case, no major change. Select the complete table and you make sure the intersection should have a formula. And go ahead, use the data table again. This time row is by year, column is by 5. So it will automatically calculate, replace the columns with the respective values to get the output. Within a second, you'll get a complete calculation done. It is generally, this concept generally used for making a discount policies, and you can say rate card with the different conditions. So data table is good to go, but you have to make sure that your data table rule should be followed and your intersection should have the formula which you want to apply, and this formula should carry these values. If your formula is not carrying these inputs, you will not be able to use these inputs in your data table calculations.